Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about infinite sequence and in series. So first, let us learn what is infinite sequence. If the terms are arranged in particular order, and which are infinite, we are going to call it as infinite sequence. It is denoted by En. So we can get En is E1, E2, E3, E4, so on. We have infinite terms since it is infinite sequence. Next, let us talk about the series. In the series, the sum of the infinite sequences is called infinite series. So it is denoted by summation of n is equals to 1 to infinite En, which can be given as A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on terms, infinite number of terms. So let us take an example to understand better way. So let us take summation of n is equals to 0 to infinite if I take x to the power of n. So x0, which is 1, x power 1, x square, x cube plus so on. Here the above series is going to form, it is an geometric series, infinite geometric series. Infinite geometric series. Why we are going to call it as infinite geometric? Why? Because here the common first term is a and common ratio is x. It is in the format of a plus ar square plus ar cube plus so on. So we are going to call it as it is a geometric series, infinite geometric series. Infinite geometric series. So in this total number of infinite number of terms, I am going to take a partial number of terms. Means from up to some extent I am going to add all these terms. That is Fn is equals to 1 plus x square plus so on up to x to the power of n I am going to take. Means I am not going to take the infinite number of terms. I am going to take only the partial terms. So only up to some extent I am going to take the terms. So partial sum of the terms. So I know that this series is in GP, geometric progression. So Fn will be a into r to the power of a into 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. So where common ratio is x and a is 1. If I substitute that, then we are going to get it as Fn is equals to 1 minus x to the power of n by 1 minus x. If I apply limits, so limit n tends to infinite, 1 minus limit Fn is equals to, so 1 minus x to the power of n by 1 minus x. If I apply limit for this, limit n tends to infinite, so it will be is equals to 1 by 1 minus x. 1 minus 0 will be 1, so it will be 1 by 1 minus x. Therefore, the total sum, the sum of limit n tends to infinite, summation of n is equals to 1 to infinite x to the power of n, so which is equals to 1 by 1 minus x. Next, we have Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. So which is given as 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, so on. So this is called as Fibonacci series. In this, AN is equals to, xn. xn is x of n minus 2 plus x of n minus 2, n less than or equal, greater than or equal to 2, and x0 is 1, x1 are so on. So if I substitute greater than or equal to 2, 2 minus 1, x1, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 plus, so your x2 value will be 1 plus 1, which is 2. So condition is n should be greater than or equal to 2, and x0 is 1 and x1 is also 1. This is about the Fibonacci series. Next, we see the binomial theorem. For rational numbers. Binomial theorem for rational numbers. So if I take the binomial theorem, we know that a plus b whole to the power of n is equals to nc0 a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 b plus so on plus ncn b power n. This is the binomial theorem. But if n is rational here, if n is rational number, if n is rational number and a is equals to 1 and b is equals to x, and moreover mod x should be always less than 1. Mod x should be always less than 1. Then we are going to get the equation as 1 plus x whole to the power of n is equals to nc0. nc0 into 1 power n plus nc1 into 1 power n minus 1 into x plus nc2 1 power n minus 2 into x square plus so on. So here nc0 we know that 1. So 1 plus nc1 is n x plus here nc2 can be written as, let me write here nc2 is n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, that is n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial, n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube plus so on. 1 plus x whole to the power of n. So this is the sequence. And if n value is 1, if I take n value is 1, then equation will be 1 plus x is equals to 1 plus x plus 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, I cannot take n equals to 1, I can take n equals to minus 1. If I take n equals to 1, 1 minus 1, 0, we are not going to get the series. So n is equals to minus 1, it will be 1 minus x, minus 1 minus 2, so it will be plus x square minus x cube plus so on. So this can be written as 1 by 1 plus x is equals to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on. Suppose if n is equals to minus 2, if n is equals to minus 2, then 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 2 can be given as 1 minus 2, 2x plus 2 minus 1, 1, here 2 gets cancelled. So it will be minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 gets cancelled. So minus into minus, it will be plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus 5x to the power of 4 minus so on. So this will be the series if n is equals to minus 2. So this can be further, we can write it as 1 by 1 plus x whole square, which can be written as 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus 5x power 4 minus so on. Next, binomial theorem for rational numbers, we can write it as already we have learned now. 1 plus x whole power n is nc0 plus nc1 x. So we have the formula like this. Already we derived it 1 plus x plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube plus so on. Now in place of n I am going to substitute p by q. Why? Because our question is rational numbers. So in place of n let us substitute p by q. 1 plus x whole to the power of p by q can be given as 1 plus px by q plus p by q by p minus q by q by 2 factorial, that is 2 only, plus x square plus p by q into p minus q by q p minus 2q by q by 6x cube. So this is the formation for p by q. If he is asking n is equal to minus p by q, then 1 plus x whole to the power of minus p by q is equals to 1 minus p by qx plus minus p by q into p plus minus p minus q by q by 2 into x square minus p by q into p minus p minus q by q minus p minus 2q by q by 6x cube. So we can derive for anything, but make sure that the condition mod x should be always less than 1. So next, let us talk about the infinite arithmetic geometric series. Infinite arithmetic geometric series. Infinite arithmetic geometric series. So we know that arithmetic and geometric series. So Sn is given by a plus n minus 1 into d, general term. Arithmetic and geometric series, AGS of AGS is given by a plus n minus 1 into d, r to the power of n minus 1 is limit n tends to infinity Sn and where mod r is less than 1. That is where s is equals to a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square. This is about infinite arithmetic geometric series. Next, let us talk about the exponential series. In exponential series, it is given as e power x is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power of 4 by 4 factorial plus so on. If I take e to the power of minus x, so 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power of 4 by 4 factorial minus x to the power of 5 by 5 factorial plus so on. Now e power x plus e to the power of minus x by 2. Then if I add these two, it will be 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, all the odd terms will get cancelled, plus x power 4 by 4 factorial plus so on. If I want e to the power of 2x, It means that in case of x, you need to substitute 2. So 1 plus 2x plus 2x whole square by 2 factorial plus 2x whole cube by 3 factorial plus 2x whole to the power of 4 by 4 factorial plus so on. So this all comes under exponential series. Next, let us talk about the logarithmic series. So logarithmic series. So logarithm of 1 plus x is given as x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 plus x power 5 by 5 minus so on. Similarly, we can give log of 1 minus x as minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4. So all are minus soon. Next, if I add these two, log of 1 plus x plus log of 1 minus x is equals to that we are going to get as 2x minus 2x square 2x cube by 3 plus okay. So sorry, not doing addition or doing subtraction. So 2 terms gets cancelled plus 2x power 5 by 5 plus so on. So I will take 2 common in this, so it will become log of 1 plus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x log a minus log b can be written as log a by b is equals to 2x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5 plus so on. Okay, next, let us see this exercise 5.4 first question. Expand the following in the ascending power of x. Find the condition on x for which the binomial expansion is valid. So it is not in the format of 1 plus x. Let us make it, if I take 5 common, it will be 1 plus x by 5. So further step I can get as 1 by 5. This if I take in numerator, it will be 1 plus x by 5 whole to the power of minus 1. So 1 by 5 I can take common. Now I can use the formula of 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1. That is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 minus x power 5 plus so on. So this formula we are going to use 1 as such minus x by 5 plus x by 5 whole square minus x by 5 whole cube. So here if you observe 1 by 5 so on plus so on. 1 by 5 if I take inside, it will be 1 by 5 minus x by 5 square plus x square by 5 cube minus x cube by 5 power 4 plus so on. So here he is giving the condition mod x is less than 1. Here in case of x, mod of x by 5 is less than 1. Therefore mod x value is less than 5. So this is the condition valid for our binomial expansion. Let us see the next question. Expand the following same 5 plus x square whole to the power of 2 by 3. It is not there 1 plus. So let me start the solution. If I take 5 common in this, it will be 1 plus x square by 5 whole to the power of 2 by 3. So this can be written as 5 to the power of 2 by 3 into 1 plus x square whole to the power of 5 whole to the power of 2 by 3. Now it is there in the format of 1 plus x whole to the power of n. This we know that 1 plus x plus 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 x square plus 2 into 1, 2 factorial, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 into 2 into 1 x cube plus so on. So this is the format. So 5 power 2 by 3 will keep as such. So in place of, here it is 1 only, nx, n is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into x square by 5 plus n into n minus 1 by 2. That is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. 2 into 1 is 2 into x square. That is x square by 5 whole square. X square by 5 whole square plus so on. So let me take 5 power 2 by 3. 1 plus 2x square by 15 plus, so it will be minus here 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 3. I will keep here minus, let it be here plus. By 2 into x power 4 by 25 plus so on. So these 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So it can be given as 5 to the power of 2 by 3 into 1 plus 2x square by 15 minus 1 by 9 x power 4 by 25 plus so on. So here the condition is mod x is less than 1. So in place of x we have x square by 5 is less than 1. Therefore mod x square is less than 5. Now let us take this cube root. Okay. Here given x is large. If x is large, then automatically 1 by x is small. Therefore 1 by mod of 1 by x is less than 1. Let us take this cube root of x cube plus 6 minus cube root of x cube plus 3 is equals to, this can be written as x cube plus 6 whole to the power of 1 by 3 minus x cube plus 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So this can, I want 1 plus, so I will take x cube common. 1 plus 6 by x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 minus x cube I can take common, that is 1 plus 3 by x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. So this 1 by 3 gets cancelled, that is left with x plus 1 plus 6 by x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 minus, here also x, 1 plus 3 by x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. So in this 2 if I take is equals to x into, it is in the format of 1 plus x whole to the power of n. So we can take 1 plus nx, n is 1 by 3 into x, 6 by x cube plus so on, minus x into, this is one term, next minus x into, so this is also 1 plus x whole to the power of n, 1 plus nx, that is 1 by 3 into 3 by x cube, 3 by x cube plus so on. So if I expand this, then it will be x plus x by 3 plus 6 by 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 gets cancelled. So it will be 2 by 2x by x cube plus so on, minus x plus 1 by x by x cube. So x square times, here x square times. So the left terms are x by 2 by x square plus so on minus x plus 1 by x square plus so on. Here, plus so on. So if I open this bracket, x gets cancelled. So 2 by x square minus 1 by x square plus so on. It will be 1 by x square approximately. Next, let us see the fourth question. Prove that root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is approximately equal to this when x is very small. So x is small. So given that root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, this can be written as 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole to the power of 1 by 2. So this can be written as 1 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 2 into 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So since power is given, we can write as 1 plus 1 minus x whole power n, that is 1 minus nx, 1 by 2 into x plus nx square, that is n into n minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 x square minus so on into 1 plus x, that is 1 plus nx minus 1 by 2 x plus n into n minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 x square plus so on. So this can be given as 1 minus x by 2. So here it is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 1 by 8. So minus x square by 8 so on. Here the terms are 1 minus x by 2. So minus 1 by 1 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 3 by 8 x square plus so on. So minus 1 here all are minus. So if I multiply these two, we are going to get it as okay, next I can multiply this. So 1 into total will be same 1 minus x by 2 plus 3 by 8 x square minus x by 2 plus x square by 4 minus 3x cube by 16, 8 to the 16 minus x square by 8 plus x cube by 16 minus 3x power 4 by 64 so on. So I'll take it into the numerator on the top. So here if you see 1 minus x by 2 minus x by 2, that is minus 2x by 2, which is minus x. Next 3 by 8 x square plus 3x square by 8 plus x square by 4 minus so on. So if I take this 1 minus x plus 8 is the LCM 2, 3 plus 2 5x square by 8, 4 2s 3 plus 2, 4 2s are 8. So it is x square by 4, it is 3x square by 8. Okay. Here we have one more term, x square by 8 minus x square by 8. So here 3x square minus 2x square is 2x square by 8, which is x square by 4 plus x square by 4, 2x square by 4, which is x square by 2, which is equals to r. Hence,